Mommy.
Some boss in charge.
You don't go feed baby. And it's not plenty like. Salad. Yes, salad. And I want, I think any other one actually need hand towel for my kitchen. How much is this hand towel for kitchen? Trash bag, I need the trash bag. How much is this one? 1,005. Up to cats. This one. Up to cats. I got this medium. See medium. This medium hard. No, medium is okay. Salt is over soft. This 75 is the one I used last, and it's not plenty like that. So I wanted to get this 750. I thought there's like, is this bigger? 750. Still 750. I think I'll just take 750. So just gonna have to take that. Hey, there's one tea I'm looking for. Hope it's here. This one 11,000, 5,000. Why is it so big? This smaller one, it doesn't look fresh, or is it just me? It doesn't look good. I don't think I like it. Okay, see another one now. But it doesn't look fresh. You're gonna be doing, I'm coming. For bell pepper. It's rich like that.
This God where they see soap. If your hand get clean, that's where they eat from you, where they plan it. No matter say that.
Ma, try it on now. That's why we are here, baby. Hi guys, good morning. Guys, today we are going for our baby's naming ceremony. Remember our baby, the one we went to see at the hospital last week? Yeah, his naming ceremony is today and we are going there. Also, I'm making, I'm not sure what to use yet because I don't know the result. But we're making another batch of Greek yogurt because I want to give my mom some I want to send some for my mom. I want to take along some for my mom. My mom stays close to where the baby naming ceremony is, and I wanted to give her some. I want to give her some for my siblings and herself to have a taste of the yogurt that I make. So I'm making some of the yogurt. I put it in last night, but you guys, I'm not very confident with this one. I don't trust this one. I don't know. I don't think this one is gonna come out well, but let's see. Maybe I'm wrong. I just want to tell you guys first that in case it's a fail, I'm still gonna put it, because yeah, that's what we are doing. We are trying, we are learning, and we are relearning. So let's see. This one I did not use the active culture. I only used some of the Greek yogurts I already made, and I'm not very confident because, like, to be honest, since the first time we made the Greek yogurt together, I've made like 3 or 4 batches of Greek yogurt, and I've not used culture since then. I've been using the some of the Greek yogurt from the one I already made, if you get what I mean. So maybe that's why I don't feel confident. Oh my god, they just brought the light. So maybe that's why I don't feel so confident, because I feel like I've overused it, but they said there is no such thing as overusing it. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it's still gonna come out good. So that's what we want to go and do now, and then we'll check it out, then we'll get ready to go for the baby naming. I'm probably gonna show you guys baby today, because finally baby is being named. Anyways, let's go. Yeah. Okay, because you guys, I'm very scared about this one. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not confident. I don't feel confident. Snow. Let's wash and then
and we boast in the name of the Lord our God, and we stand upright, and the enemies are fallen. Amen. And today it has been decreed and it has been declared that your light shall shine. Amen.
Hi, baby's mommy. Your baby, your baby. This is my first meal. Don't go at the book or come back. You don't go feed baby. I know they. Christmas That's so cute.